Yeah, it should be possible to list customers alphabetically. In the Business Hub, for most list views, you can click the column heading to sort the list by that column. And you can click it again to toggle between ascending and descending order. So here's, for example, my orders list, and I can just click the customer column to sort by descending customer name, or click it again to do ascending. You could also do, job name. Any any of these columns that shows the name in blue is a link, and if you click on that link, it'll sort by that column.